Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative. And the other day, Monica from Sparkles by Monica contacted me and wondered if I would like to join in on the challenge that she's hosting called Spooky Sparkles 2023. And I said, sure. And we're going to be making this a sparkly spider. But first, I would like to share this quote with you. Action may not always bring happiness, but there is no happiness without action. So what you're going to need is some sparkly pipe cleaner, just one. I'm using purple for this one, and a couple of black pipe cleaners. And then I'm just going to use a pencil. And we start out by coiling this sparkly purple pipe cleaner around the pencil like so. And once we get it all twisted around the pencil, I'm going to kind of squash it in. Boom. And then we're going to take one of the black pipe cleaners and put it through the hole. And then we're going to bring it around and twist. A couple times. And then I'm going to cut this off. You need to use wire cutters for this part. It will dull your scissors, and then just bring the pipe cleaner to the back like this, and then set that aside. With the second pipe cleaner, these are going to be the legs. Find the middle and cut it in half. And then find the middle again. Cut it in half. Same thing over here. So these 4 pieces of pipe cleaner are going to make the 8 legs. Okay, now that you have all your little legs, by the way, I told you how to do it wrong. You're going to bring your pipe cleaners like this. So it kind of looks like a little snail. Okay, I had it turned the wrong way. So we're like this. So now you're going to take your legs and you feed them through the bottom there. Just crisscross them. And you're going to do that with all the legs. That's 1. 2. 3. Got 1 more to squish in there. This last one's kind of difficult. Sometimes you might just have to kind of feed him in the middle. Because it does get a little cramped with all these pipe cleaners in there. There we go. We got it in there. All right. So once we got all our legs on there, we're going to turn them over and we're just going to kind of reshape them a little bit. And I like to take my round nose pliers and just kind of maybe curve these up a little bit. Otherwise, they get little kind of pointy and sticky, pokey-like. Okay, I'm going to mess with the legs here in a little bit. I'm going to show you what you do with this part. I'm going to start out by just rolling with my round nose pliers and then just continue to roll, roll, roll. This is his face. Kind of turn it and smush it up there. Okay, now we're going to work with his legs again here. Kind of mess with them until you get the look you like, and then we're going to need to put eyeballs on them. Now for their eyes, I'm just going to use some of this E6000 glue, and then I have all these sequin things left over from a bunch of diamond paintings that I have done, and I think the blue ones might be really pretty. I could use the gold ones, but here's some clear ones. I could use those, but I think I'm going to stick with the blue for the blue guy. These put back in there. And then I have purple for the purple guy. So I'm using this so I don't make a big mess with my glue. And I think I'm going to try, let me get my sequins over here. Because these are so hard to pick up, I think I'm going to try using my wax and my little pencil thing to pick them up and put the glue on. Or I could use a little pair of tweezers. We'll see which works the best. Right now, got to open up my E6000 glue. All right, I had to go get a pair of pliers to open this. For some reason, I can never get it open. The glue, when you open it, just be forewarned, it squirts out really, really quick. And I do clean it off before I put it away, but it still, for some reason, gets glued on there. Okay. You have to be real quick. So, see if this works. Let me get some wax on my little diamond painting thing. We'll do the blue one first. The C6000 glue is good. You don't really need a whole lot of it. Ooh. All right, just try not to get glue all over the place, but this isn't exactly working well, so we'll try this. Now, maybe I need some more wax. Experimenting here. All right, I am determined. I think what's happened, I've gotten glue on the diamond part of it, so I'm going to get another one out. Like I said before in some of my videos, when I'm doing stuff like this is the first time. So I like to design on the fly, and that way when things come up, I can kind of show you what's happened and how I fixed them, if I could fix them or not. Let's try this again. There we go. This time I think what I'm going to do, get some glue. I'm going to put it on the spider where I want the sequin rather than putting the glue on the sequin. See if that works. There. And there we go. Ooh, he's cute. Let's get the purple ones done. And this glue will dry clear. Yeah, this process works much better than how I did it before. So learn by my mistakes. There we go. Aren't they cute? They were fun to make too, and look how sparkly they are. I'd like to thank you all for joining me, and I hope you go check out all the other participants. I'll leave a hashtag down in the description box below, and sometimes those hashtags work and sometimes they don't. So I'll also add links to the individuals participating, links to their YouTube channel, so you can go and check out what they're making. And I know on my other channel, Tapping Flamingo, aka the Bohemian Hippie, I'll give you a sneak peek. I actually made a pair of earrings and a zipper pull, which I'm not going to show you that. So go check that out too. And one last thing, I'm really trying to grow my channel, so a like, subscribe, and a comment would be greatly appreciated. Again, thanks for joining me, and y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.